Hey guys, Dennis here, and in this video I'm going to walk through the search engine optimization, or SEO. Alright, so as soon as you get into your website, to your web page, especially when you're hosted with us, you have the software and the plugin that you need for basic search engine optimization. Now here in my left side is just the title and the meta description and the sweet spot, which is the targeted keywords. If you're selling flowers or honey or farm equipments, you have to get a keywords put in so that everything gonna be on Google page. All right. So right now, let's take a look on the example of what we do here. So one is you have to fill in your title. This one is a flowers company. And so let's do flowers company in Richmond, Indiana. Okay. And then you can fill in more if you want more information in there. Next is, that's the title right there. Next that you want to put is the meta description. The meta description is, let me see here. If I type Yeti blasting, and so if you type that one right there in your search engine, it would pop up right here. And so this tiny print here, that's the meta description, and you want to put in this website. We did this maybe 6 months ago, but they're really doing well already in their search engine. So right now, let's go back to here, and then let's fill out the meta description. I will put flowers for sale in Richmond, Indiana. All right, so you have to fill out this until all of it is 100% blue, so that you have longer data description in there. And so one thing also that is really important here is the keywords. Like for instance, I'm selling flowers to Richmond, Indiana, so I would get a suggestion from Google page. Okay, let me go here. Flowers for sale. Okay, and then just get a suggestions from Google. Right, so you got good suggestions right here. There's flowers for sale, and then it would add to the target keywords. For instance, if flowers for sale near me, somebody would type flowers for sale near them, it would also pop up. This one, flowers for sale online, this is good. Flowers for sale full plant, I would put that in. Flowers for sale bulk, because if I buy the entire farm, and then what is flowers for sale wholesale, and then you can keep adding your keywords. Like people would type flowers near me. Okay, and then just get a suggestion from Google, and then it would be Richmond, Indiana, flowers, and flowers near me delivery. And then once you're done, in the upper right blue button called update, and you just hit that one. All right guys, that's it for today. If you guys need help, our website is below, and our phone number as well is available. My team and I would love to talk to you and discuss. And just a just a short word here. When you do this, search engine optimization is not an overnight, okay? It would take time for Google to crawl your page. And so, and there is now overnight, um, magic trick here.